So we are gonna do an unboxing today. Y'all know I'm trying to support black businesses or whatever. So we're gonna do an unboxing of a black skincare brand. And it's cute, whatever. So come on. Let me hold y'all up. So this is the size of the package. Super cute, see? Don't do this on. I mean, I'm glad. Whatever. Come on, shit. I done used a box cutter before. Opened the box before. Let's see. So got turmeric facial cleanser, rosemary tea tree toner. This is cute. You see it? Turmeric clay mask. We're gonna try that. And this is organic facial oil. We love that. And I got me some turmeric soap. Let me smell it. It smells real turmeric-y. We like that. The name of this brand is Brown Sugar. This is cute. It comes with the tips on how to actually, yeah, it's cute. So we're gonna more than likely shop again because look at Miss Lazy Bones. Y'all know she didn't even get up and come greet me. I want to smell the stuff. Let's see. This is turmeric and tea tree. This is nice. You can smell the tea tree and that turmeric in that. Smell the tea tree in there. Smells good. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, tea tree is antimicrobial. Let me know. And this is a facial wash. Almond oil, grapeseed oil, frankincense, essential oil, sunflower, and coconut oil. It's not really scented, which I like. This is cute. So I brought the facial bar as well. So I think I'll use the bar. I use them like every other day in between, but still follow the process of it. It smells good. And then the oil. Yeah. Some oil. I love me some oil. I love a good oil. I love oil. That is it. It's my little set. Alright, I'm gone.